Hi, this is Jay Garcia with TDGI, and I wanted to launch a venture called Sketchcasting. And essentially, what it's allowing me to do is whiteboard some of my ideas and hopefully convey a message to you guys. So, all the thoughts that come out of my little brain can hopefully be visually represented. Hey, no third leg there. Oh, this is nice. Anyway, hopefully I can get some messages across and show some folks more about JavaScript, and eventually we're going to lead all the way to EXT and explain some of the core concepts with the OO operator or functions such as apply, extend, overwrite, and it's going to be a fun ride. But first I want to get down some of the core concepts, and I'm going to start with this little guy called the equals operator. Okay, a lot of us are used to using the equals operator and not really understanding what it does. So if we look at this simple assignment, var x equals 3, essentially what that's doing is that's taking x as a reference and pointing to a little piece of memory that JavaScript chunked out, and x now becomes a reference to that object. It's important to remember that x is a reference to the object because a lot of people are not aware that when you do something like var y equals x, essentially what JavaScript is doing, it's actually looking up where x is pointing to and then pointing to the same piece of memory. We're not copying x, we're not duplicating the data, we're just saying, hey, I want y to point to the same thing x is pointing to. Now, oops, didn't mean to erase that. Okay, now down the road, if we want to change the value of x, because we instantiate it with var already, we say x equals string, so we're going to assign some string to it. So in this point in space, JavaScript is going to carve out a little piece of memory and now create a new reference to that section of memory, and the old reference disappears. Again, why is this important to remember? It's important to remember because y will still reference the little object or little piece of memory that contains the integer 3. So that's one of those things about JavaScript that people don't fully understand, and I believe that John Resig of the Pro JavaScript Techniques book explained very well, and I think it helped me out a lot. So I was hoping to visually explain this to people and perhaps shed some light on how this stuff works. So this is again Jay Garcia with tdg-i.com. And we're going to embark on an interesting journey on sketchcasting and hopefully be able to provide some really cool knowledge transfers through the use of this whiteboard technique. So thank you very much.